Okay, so here's the woods. I think the best position is going to be like this, and here is where we're going to have nutmeg. So here, this is going to be nutmeg's bottom, and nutmeg's head is going to come along here. You won't be able to see much at the moment. You can probably, actually you can probably see the silver outline, and once I've done the proper sketch you'll be able to obviously see more, and then you'll be able to see, once I start burning, the true magic of pyrography. But as you can see, I don't cheat, I don't copy or trace. The work you get from me is freehand. I will take your design and I will draw it for you, freehand. So you're not just getting lasered work, you're not just getting a trace. I am doing your work for you, freehand. It makes it extra special, I think.